Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Smart English Official. Are you confused about where to use also, when to use to or as well, how to use either in negative sentences, and how even adds emphasis?
Oh no, that's a big question.
If you feel confused right now, don't worry. You are not alone.
Today, we are going to fix that confusion. We will talk about 5 words.
Also, to, as well, even, and either.
These 5 words look simple, but many learners mix them up every day.
So stay with us because by the end of this episode, you will know exactly when to use each one.
Welcome to Smart English Official.
I am Lima.
And I'm James.
And today we have a very fun topic.
Yes, today we are talking about words that English learners love to mix up.
Oh yes, I remember when I first started learning English, I used to say, "Me too, I like coffee."
Oh no, that's too much.
I know, but hey, that's how we learn, right?
Exactly. So today, we will learn the right way to use these words.
And we will use lots of examples, simple examples, easy to remember.
Let's go. Okay, Lima, let's start with the first word.
Also,
Yes, also. This is a very common word.
we use also to add information. It means and this too.
But here's the important thing. Also usually goes in the middle of the sentence.
Right, not at the end, not at the beginning, in the middle.
Let me give you an example. I like tea. Now I want to add something. I also like coffee.
See? Also is in the middle, before the main verb.
Let's try another one. She is smart. Now I add, she is also very kind.
Yes, also comes after the verb is.
And one more. He can speak French. Now I add, he can also speak Spanish.
Beautiful. Also comes after the helping verb can.
So the rule is simple. Also goes after the first verb or after the helping verb.
And not at the very end of the sentence. That's a very common mistake.
For example, don't say, I like pizza also. Wrong. Say, I also like pizza. Correct.
Great rule. Now, are you ready for the next word?
Okay. Next, we have to and as well.
Ooh, these two are very similar.
Yes, they are almost the same. We can use them both at the end of a sentence.
Right. When you agree with something or when you want to add the same idea, you use to or as well.
For example, I like movies. You say, I like movies too. Or, I like movies as well.
Both are correct. Both mean the same thing.
But there is a small difference. To is more common in American English. As well is more common in British English.
But honestly, you can use both anywhere. Don't stress about it.
Yes, don't stress.
Let me give more examples. Tom is coming to the party. Sarah is coming to the party too.
And with as well, Sarah is coming to the party as well.
Easy, right?
One more. I speak English. My brother speaks English too. Or, my brother speaks English as well.
Perfect.
Now here's something important. To and as well are for positive sentences.
Yes, this is key. Positive sentences only.
So don't say, I don't like it too. Wrong.
And don't say, I don't like it as well. Wrong.
So what do we use for negative sentences?
Ooh, that's our next word.
Okay, here we go. This one surprises many learners.
Yes, the word either.
Either is used in negative sentences. It means the same as to or as well, but only when the sentence is negative.
Let me explain with a simple example. Imagine Lima says, "I don't like spicy food."
And James agrees. James says, "I don't like spicy food either."
See? The sentence is negative. I don't like. So we use either at the end.
Not to, not as well, but either.
Let's try more examples. She didn't come to class. He didn't come to class either.
I can't swim. I can't swim either.
They haven't eaten yet. We haven't eaten yet either.
You see the pattern? Negative sentence, either at the end.
And here's a fun way to remember it.
Oh, tell me.
Okay, think of it this way. To is for positive friends. Either is for negative feelings. If something is negative, use either.
Oh, I love that. Positive friends, negative feelings. That's so funny, but so useful.
Right?
Okay, so let's do a quick check.
Yes, a little quiz. I say a sentence, you think of the answer.
Ready, listeners? Let's go. Target.
I love chocolate. How do you agree?
I love chocolate too. Or, I love chocolate as well. Positive sentence, so to or as well. Great. Next one. I don't watch TV. How do you agree?
I don't watch TV either. Negative sentence, so either. Perfect. You are doing great.
Okay, now let's talk about the most interesting word today.
Oh yes, this one is very special.
All right, the last word today is even.
Even. This one is different.
Yes, very different. We use even to show surprise or to make something feel more important.
We call it adding emphasis. It means this is surprising or this is more than I expected.
Let me give you a simple example. Everyone passed the test. That's normal, right? But what if I say, even Tom passed the test?
Oh, that means Tom usually doesn't pass, so it's surprising that he did.
Exactly. Even tells us this is more than expected. This is surprising.
Let's look at more examples. She can speak 3 languages. That's impressive. But add even, she can even speak Japanese.
Wow, Japanese is very hard. So even adds that feeling of, wow, that's impressive.
Yes.
One more. He ate a lot at dinner. Okay, normal, but he even ate 3 pieces of cake.
3 pieces? That's too much.
And that's exactly the feeling even gives. It says, wow, that's a lot.
So even equals surprise plus emphasis.
And where does even go in a sentence?
Great question. Even usually goes before the word it emphasizes.
For example, even the teacher didn't know the answer. The teacher is the surprising part, so even goes before the teacher.
Another one. I don't even have time to eat. Even goes before have. It emphasizes how busy you are.
Wow, that sentence sounds very relatable.
Yes, very relatable.
Okay, so let's put everything together now.
Let's do a quick review. This is your cheat sheet. Write it down if you want.
First, also. Use it in the middle of a sentence to add information. Example, I also like music.
Second, to. Use it at the end for positive sentences. Example, I like music too.
Third, as well. Same as to, also at the end for positive sentences. Example, I like music as well.
Fourth, either. Use it at the end, but for negative sentences. Example, I don't like noise either.
Fifth, even. Use it before the word you want to emphasize to show surprise. Example, she even speaks Korean.
Amazing! Did you get all that?
If you need to hear it again, just go back and listen one more time.
That's totally okay. That's how learning works.
Okay, before we finish, let's look at some common mistakes.
Yes, these are mistakes that even advanced learners make.
Mistake number 1. I don't like it too.
This is wrong. Negative sentence, use either. I don't like it either.
Mistake number 2. I like pizza. I like pasta also.
This sounds a little off. Also should be in the middle. I like pizza. I also like pasta.
Mistake number 3. Even I don't know. Is this right?
It depends on the meaning. If you are surprised that you don't know, then yes, even I don't know. But if you just want to say you don't know, just say, I don't know.
Right. Don't add even if there's no surprise.
Exactly. Even is only for emphasis and surprise. Don't use it in every sentence.
Okay, we have a challenge for you today.
Yes, this is so fun.
Challenge: complete these sentences. Say the answer out loud. Yes, say it. Don't be shy.
Okay, ready? Number 1. I love watching movies. My sister loves watching movies. Blank.
To or as well. Positive sentence.
Number 2. I can't cook. My brother can't cook. Blank.
Either. Negative sentence.
Number 3. She is very smart. She blank speaks 4 languages.
Also, in the middle of the sentence.
Number 4. He blank finished the exam in 10 minutes. That's so fast.
Even, because it's surprising.
Amazing! You are doing so well.
Okay, everyone, that's it for today.
We talked about 5 very important words. Also, to, as well, either, and even.
These words are small, but they make a big difference in your English.
And now you know exactly when to use each one.
If you enjoyed this episode, please share it with a friend who's learning English.
That would mean the world to us.
And if you have questions, leave them in the comments below. We read every single comment.
Every single one.
Also, smiling, did you see what I did there?
Aw, James, you used also correctly.
Of course, I learned from the best.
Aw, thank you.
We are Smart English Official, and we will see you in the next episode.
Keep learning, keep practicing, and remember, every sentence you speak is progress.
Bye for now.